Congratulations on receiving your brand new SafeFlex floor system. We're here to ensure your installation process goes smoothly. So let's walk through some helpful tips and tricks. Start by printing your custom layout document as provided by your sales representative. It should resemble the one shown here. These drawings will serve as your guide, ensuring that each area receives the correct number of parts. For supplies, all you will need is a rubber mallet and a pair of gloves. Before we dive into the installation, let's briefly overview the products. Each tile has two sides with interlocking tabs and comes in two sizes, 18-inch by 18-inch and 6-inch by 18-inch. There are 4 types of trim pieces, 18-inch edges and 22-inch corners, each available with and without interlocking tabs. Before assembling the floor, make sure to lay any cords or hoses you want to run beneath the matting surface. Now it's time to start installing. Begin each area in the top left corner with the interlocking tabs positioned at 3 and 6 o'clock. This step is crucial for a seamless installation, ensuring the tiles can be easily fastened together, and the correct interlocking tab is exposed for your edge and corner pieces. Align each tile on top of the other and secure it in place, working either from left to right or from top to bottom. Once all tiles are in place, attach the trim pieces as indicated in your custom layout document. Depending on your specific area, you may need to cut some tiles or edges for a perfect custom fit. For detailed instructions on this, check out our cutting video. Congratulations! Your SafeFlex floor system is now successfully installed. Remember, our team of experts is here to help. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your new SafeFlex floor system, and thank you for choosing us to keep you supported at work.